Hello and welcome to the next part of the Python Control Structures course from How to Code Well. My name is Peter Fisher, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to use the else side of the if statement. Now this is exactly where we left off in the previous tutorial. What I'm going to do is just clear this down so we can get some room. So I'm just going to remove the second statement, and also I'm going to clear down the terminal shell as well. Okay, so here we've got x is greater than 5 and y is greater than 15. This won't work, this won't return true because this condition is not correct. Y is not greater than 15 because it's set to 3. I'm just going to remove y from the whole equation. We don't need that at this present second. And what I'm going to do is just remove this as well. So x is greater than 5, that's fine. Let's just bring that to there. Let's save that. So in this case, this is true. This is basically how we started off when we were looking at the if condition. Now, what happens if you want to have something that runs if this isn't true? Well, in that case, you need to have an else. So we can do an else like so. And again, this is going to go orange because it is a keyword. Now, notice the indentation is exactly the same as this indentation here. We start in the same position. So let's go and print x is not greater than 5. Okay, so now we're going to print something out regardless of this outcome. We're either going to print out x is greater than 5 or we're going to print out x is not greater than 5. Let's save this and run this tutorial. So it's Python and then it's tutorial 3. Okay, so x is greater than 5. Let's go and change x. Let's change that to be something like 2. There we go. Let's save that, run this. Now we have x is not greater than 5. So we're now down in this else section. And like last time, we can also have ands and ors to change the actual conditions. We can also have different operators. At the moment, this operator we're using is the greater than symbol, but we can have equals, we can have less than, and so on and so forth. Now in the next tutorial, I'm going to be furthering the if statement. So do subscribe to pick that up. Thanks ever so much for watching. Happy coding, everyone. I'll see you again soon. Cheers. Bye.